jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride the one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Hi friends! As we all know, Christmas is around the corner. When Santa comes, I will play the Jingle Bells rhyme on piano. You also want to learn? Come on! I will show the notes and step-by-step tutorials to you. So the first line is Jingle Bells, Jingle Bells. And only the E key is used 6 times. So it's like E, 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 E. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Next is Jingle All The Way. The notes are shown on your screen and I'll also play them on the piano. Jingle all the way. Next line is over fun it is to ride one horse open sleigh. Over fun it is to ride the one horse open sleigh. Hey. That's all the 4 lines, and now I'll play the full rhyme for you. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Over fun it is to ride the one horse open sleigh. Hey! So friends, I am sure that this Christmas you will play the Jingle Bells rhyme on piano. I hope you liked the video. So click the like button, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Ting ting ting, ting ting ting, ting 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 ting. See ya!